that sound to you? You might have used this at least once in your OET role plays. But are you using it in the right way? Hi everyone, this is 𝘁𝗵𝘁, an OET trainer from IILT. How does that sound to you? A very common usage, right? It is actually a friendly way of checking whether the opposite person who is the listener there is happy with what you're proposing. But are you guys using it in the right way in the OET role play? Well, not all the time. I have seen many candidates actually misusing this particular statement. You cannot use this statement when you are actually explaining a diagnosis or a medical condition, or you are talking about the possible symptoms or the possible outcomes. You really cannot use "how does that sound to you?" Just imagine you're telling a patient, your results are here with me, and based on the result you have been diagnosed with cancer. How does that sound to you? Literally, I have seen many people actually asking that particular question. See, a patient will not be happy to hear that particular question from your side, because once they know that they're not feeling well, or they have a medical condition, or they have to start taking a treatment or stop doing something that they like, when you ask how does that sound to you, they will be really angry at you, because they will say it sounds terrible. What do you expect when you actually ask the patient how does that sound to you after you explained a diagnosis or the possible symptoms or the possible outcomes? You don't expect the patient to respond to you happily. Oh, it's okay, right? So never ask that question there. You can use "how does that sound to you" when you're actually giving suggestions or some recommendations. Say for example, you're suggesting the patient to start doing exercise or have a well-balanced diet or wait to see the doctor. So these are some positive plans we are actually providing to the patient. So at that time, you can ask this particular question, "Mr. David, how does that sound to you?" That means, are you happy with my plan? Okay, so hereafter, do not make this mistake by misusing "how does that sound to you?"
IILT, it's my cup of tea.